Hi, I'm Rob Ingram. I own Eldon Ingram Autopro in Stratford, Ontario. I won the Napa Autopro Ontario Shop of the Year in 2015. I'm here at the beautiful facility in Montreal for the GemCar Convention 2019. It's been nice at the convention here where I've been able to implement systems and procedures using the GemCar program. It's amazing how I've had the ability to take time off work, come in and work on my business instead of in my business. It's a pleasure to be here with all the professionals and experts at GemCar, and I'm happy to be working with them and excited to take all the information and the things I've learned today and go back to my shop and implement them tomorrow. Over the years, I've found that implementing the systems and procedures using GemCar and the tools they give me is benefited me in a way where I'm able to take this time with family, the ability to take time away from work, also the ability to come to conventions like this and implement systems, procedures, learn and grow as a business owner and as a father and a family member.